All right, let's play chemical detective. We're gonna crack the case with a simple yet really powerful tool.
So, you've run your reaction, but what did you actually make? Is it pure? How do you know?
You need a tool for the job, and that's thin layer chromatography, or just TLC. Think of it like a tiny racetrack for molecules, happening right on a small glass plate. Okay, so this racetrack has two main parts. First, the stationary phase, that's the track itself.
Then you have the mobile phase. This is just a liquid solvent that climbs right up the plate.
And this entire race, it really just comes down to one simple thing: polarity.
So polar molecules stick to the plate and move slowly. Less polar ones, they zoom right on by.
Running the race is super simple. You spot your sample, pop it in the chamber, and let it run.
But wait, a lot of these spots are invisible. So how do you see them? With the UV lamp.
Okay, so you've got these spots. What do they actually mean? Well, you'll need one crucial number.
And that number is called the retention factor, or RF value. It's the most important clue you'll get. The calculation is really easy. It's just the distance your spot traveled, divided by the solvent's distance.
Seriously, all you need is a ruler. Measure from the start to your spot and to the solvent line.
So, let's say your spot went up 3 centimeters and the solvent went 4. Your RF is 0.75. Easy.
So what's that number telling you? Well, a small RF means it's more polar. A big RF, less polar.
Of course, sometimes things go wrong. You might get streaks or weird fronts, but they're usually easy fixes.
So why does this tiny little racetrack matter so much? The answer is actually pretty huge.
Because TLC is the scouting mission for a much bigger process called flash chromatography.
Yep, the R value from that tiny plate tells you exactly how to purify grams of your product.
So, from just one tiny spot, chemists get all the info they need, turning total uncertainty into a plan.
It's a great reminder. Sometimes the simplest tools solve the biggest mysteries. So, what will you solve?